so we were able to stay at this awesome Papa Bear cabin. I took a picture of the brochure. I'll put it in this video. And we have had a tornado warning. We have had a tornado watch. We have had flash flood watch and warning as well. So we decided not to hike today. This is going to be our fun day number 5. And we decided to go to a cave. And we decided to go to a spring. And then we went to another spring. And we went out to eat. And so this has been a very, it's been unexpected but great. So there we go. And we'll figure out what we're doing for the next section, because things got a little bit tweaked with the weather and stuff like that. So anyway, all right, see ya. All right, we're going down into the caves in this monsoon of rain. Here we go. Finally found it. What's your name again?
Hunter.
Hunter! Hunter's our guide. All right, he's super cool. Here we go. All right, so Hunter said that this is the basement. This is the lowest part of this Mariana Caverns. Isn't it cool? Look at the fun light they have. And there's the water. Tigger is lighting it for me. There you go. Thank you, Tigger. All right.
I didn't make it. You ready to continue with the tour?
All right, Hunter, we're ready. Look, the cave is crying. It's crying. Look at that. Thundercat. Yeah, that was good.
Try South America.
South America?
Yes, there's a reason why we thought that. There's a formation back here that is formed in the shape of a continent. Now this formation is called a brimstone pool. The way it occurs is water will puddle up, and over time it will evaporate along the sides, making these walls build up. And this is the formation that occurs. Now, a lot of people ask if it's glass or not. Well, it's not. It's completely natural. It's just that the water has nothing to disturb it. So it sits pretty still. There's no. Sometimes they're lamps, kerosene lamps. So it's kerosene carbide. The gas in it would go out. It'd be about this dark. Now, if you really
no
want,
phones. You
Yeah.
can't take a picture of it.
Total darkness.
no,
I've got a video going.
now, normally, whenever the lamps go out, they had a bit of a structure, which we'll see in a room next to find their way back. That was the condition they'd be working.
All right.
What is this?
So cool.
Is this nails?
Where at?
Right here.
Oh yes, those are nails. That's to keep the wiring up in the ceiling. That way we have some lighting to get towards.
Waterfall room. Here it is, guys. Look how beautiful it is.
I think they're pretty well camouflaged. Except the nails sticking out right there.
So we're We're going into the enchanted forest, and there is another puddle right there I just stepped in. Oh, here we go. We're going through.
Oh man.
Look at all this. And we're going into this beautiful cave. And look at this. All right, Hunter, you said enchanted forest room, huh?
This is our discovery room.
Oh, discovery room now.
This is the first room that was discovered inside the cabin.
This is the first room. Okay. Awesome.
I don't know if the movie falls.
Oh my goodness, look at this. There's a cave waterfall.
And then see the light.
So the water from outside goes down into the cave, and then it goes down here, and it floods this room right here. Look at this. So we can't go on this part of the tour because the water is flooding it. Storm's still going. We're always interested in flowers too.
Oh, yeah.
That's pretty. I know. That's cool. Oh. Look at this storm. This is crazy. Well, we just did the cave tour. Now we're coming back. Everything's flooded. Our feet are wet. We probably just should have gone hiking today, but look at this. Look at this kind of weather. Crazy stuff. All right, so we're leaving the caverns now, and this is all the rain from all this flood. We're supposed to get 3 to 5 inches. Look at that. Walking in water. Should have just went on the trail, but you know, we didn't. They blocked it off. Oh, we're in a flash flood warning too, just to let y'all know. Look at this, the wind. Crazy. We're at Ponce de Leon State Park, and this is the spring that's coming from that clear spot right there. Look at that. Isn't that cool? I made this into a swimming hole.